doesn't love calamari? I mean, it is so good. It's so addictive. It's interesting, you know, calamari doesn't have a huge amount of flavor, especially when you fry it, but there's something so just absolutely delicious. So let's just make some. It's so easy. I already had a pot of oil heating up. We want that to be at about 300, anywhere from 350 to 365 is a great temperature for frying a lot of different things. So I am there. I'm just gonna turn this down just a touch. All right, so let's make the flour mixture first for the fried calamari, and this comes out really nice and crispy. In here I have a bowl of all-purpose flour. To that I'll add a little bit of cornstarch, some cayenne pepper, a little bit of paprika, mainly to get the flour to color the batter a little bit more and look a little bit better after it comes out, and just a touch of baking powder. Let's season that with a little bit of salt and go ahead and mix. Now the calamari is already in rings. It also has some tentacles, and it's sitting in some buttermilk with a little bit of salt in it. And you can even do that overnight. It actually allows to macerate and tenderize the calamari a little bit. So let's go straight from the buttermilk. You want to strain out as much buttermilk as possible and add that to the flour. Then you want to make sure that that gets really packed in. So what I'm going to do is, if you have a glove, it really helps a lot, or even your hands are fine, but you really want to pack that calamari into that flour as much as possible. When you're done with that, go ahead and strain into a basket again, or any kind of a colander will work well. So shake off all the excess. Once you've shaken off all that excess, you're really going to want to put that onto a rack and allow that to just sit on this rack, just like this one. You can even let that go overnight, believe it or not, in a fridge. You want it to hold on to that amazing breading, and then we can start frying. So let's go ahead and do that. Again, set your oil temperature to approximately 350 to 365. It's all good. So let's start pulling off some pieces of calamari and adding them to the flour. Now, you would think it takes a while for fried calamari to be ready, but it's actually really, really fast. What we're doing here is working on the breading, getting super crisp and delicious. That's the most important part of this. And believe it or not, it's actually ready. So I have a little bowl here ready. I have a little paper to soak up any excess grease, but this is really not greasy at all, because we have this great flour mixture and we're going into really hot oil. And then I like to use some big salt over the top, because you have to make sure that this has that beautiful bite that we always get in our favorite restaurants. Enjoy it, fried calamari.